Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to connect a Cloudflare managed domain to your Minecraft server so you can use your domain instead of the IP to join. First, you'll need a domain. You can grab one from Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains. Once you have it, connect it to Cloudflare if it isn't already there. After logging into Cloudflare, click on your domain and go to the DNS tab. Here, click Add Record. Set the type to A, and for the name, you can use MC or something like Play. Then enter your server's IP address. Just copy it from your server host. Make sure to set the proxy status to DNS only and click Save. Next, click Add Record again, but this time choose SRV. For the service, use Minecraft. Set the port, usually 25565 or 25585, and add your domain in the target field. Save and you're done. It might take up to 48 hours to fully update, but usually it's quicker. Once it's done, you can join your server using your domain like mc.yourdomain.com, and that's it. Simple. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.